In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your logo on Fresha in just 5 minutes. Fresha, for those unfamiliar, is a comprehensive platform designed for businesses in the beauty and wellness industry, offering appointment booking, product sales, and business management tools. A logo plays a crucial role in your branding, as it's often the first thing customers see. It embodies your brand's identity and values, so ensuring your logo is up to date and reflective of your current branding is essential. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how to update your logo on Fresha, ensuring your business's online presence is polished and professional. Your first step is to navigate to Fresha for Business, which you can do by typing https://www.fresha.com/for-business into your browser's address bar. This URL will take you directly to the business section of Fresha, where you can manage various aspects of your business profile and settings. Once you're on the Fresha for Business page, the next step is to log in to your account. You'll see a login button on the page. Go ahead and click on that. It's a straightforward process designed to get you into the management dashboard of your account where all the magic happens. After clicking on Login, you'll be directed to choose the For Business option. This is important because Fresha offers different functionalities for businesses and individual users, so specifying that you're accessing the platform for business purposes leads you to the appropriate dashboard and features relevant to managing your business. Now, for ease and security, Fresha allows you to sign in using your Google account. Look for the option that says Sign in using Google. This is particularly useful for streamlining your logins and keeping business accounts secure, as it leverages Google's security features. Go ahead and click that option. Following that, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use for logging in. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the one associated with your business, or the one you wish to link to your Fresha account. This ensures that all your business-related bookings and management tools are in sync with the correct email account. Once logged in, navigate to your profile photo, which is usually located in the top right corner of the dashboard. This action will lead you to various account settings and personalization options for your business on Fresha. Next, you'll want to click on Profile from the drop-down menu. This area lets you manage personal details, set preferences, and, most importantly for us today, update your business logo. After you click on Profile, look for the Edit button. This option allows you to modify existing information, including your profile photo or logo. The edit function is straightforward, designed to make personalization and updates as seamless as possible for business owners and managers. Now it's time to choose a new photo or logo from your computer. Click on the area that allows you to upload a file, and then navigate through your computer's file system to select the new logo you'd like to use. This step is crucial. Ensure the image you select represents your brand well, is of high resolution, and fits the dimensions recommended by Fresha to avoid any cropping or quality issues. Finally, after uploading the new logo, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. This action will update your profile with the new logo, immediately reflecting across the Fresha platform wherever your business profile is showcased. Updating your logo on Fresha is more than a cosmetic change. It's about maintaining a professional, consistent brand identity across all platforms your business uses. Clients value consistency and professionalism, which in turn fosters trust and credibility in your business offerings. Remember, your logo is often the first impression potential clients have of your business, so it's worth taking the time to ensure it's exactly right. Whether you're rebranding or simply refreshing your look, updating your logo on Fresha is a critical step in ensuring your business stands out in the competitive beauty and wellness industry. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward guide to changing your logo on Fresha, ensuring that your business first impression is always its best. Thank you for joining me today, and make sure to apply these steps to keep your business looking its absolute best.